Don't mind the tired look, I have just woke up. But I have been sent a new beauty blender to try out, and it's not just any beauty blender, it's a Chameleon beauty blender. So it's purple, and when you wet it, it's meant to change to pink, I think. I have got a little bowl of water here so we can try it out and see. It does feel really nice. Let's see. So I have the beauty blender in there. I'm going to squish it up and down and get it wet. So my beauty blender didn't change colour. I'm wondering if you have to use like hot water or cold water, you know, like vice versa. But my little girl threw the packaging away, so I'll have to look into that. But it's literally doubled in size and it feels super soft. I just got to a step in my makeup where I'm going to conceal, so let's try it out. I've just blended this side out, let's blend this side out. I very much like this kind of beauty blender. It's super soft and like bouncy, but it's firm enough that it just gives you a really nice quick blend. I really like this. I am obsessed, I love it. Such good value for money. It blended everything out like an absolute dream. I love the size of it, and I really like a beauty blender that's angled at the top so you can get right under your under eye. This is definitely a win-win for me. I will link it down below so you can check them out too.